What is the advantage of using SDLC? SDLC will give you all the steps on what to do to create the project, to create the website. It gives you all the components that you need to do, you need to use. It gives you all the tools that you must use. The tools here normally are case tools. Which information? Okay. SDLC will tell you what case tools to use. Okay, you want to build a website? Okay, you must use these tools. You want to build a computer game. You want to create a computer game, you must use these tools. You want to create apps for your mobile phone, for Android, you must use these tools, these tabs. So different kind of projects and different kind of, just like cake. Different kind of cake, different kind of tools, different kind of recipes. Right? Okay, so our cake is made a bit unique. Chocolate, cheesecake, chicken flavor. Right? So you must do what you can. Have you tried that? You put egg in your chicken. Every cake you put eggs in your chicken. You put the jam in your burger. Okay, anyway, basic steps, SDLC, identification of problem, opportunity and again, identification of problem, analysis, design, construct or build. If you got the construct, just stick with build, test, deploy. And the last one is review and step. So, identify problem. Analysis. Design. Build, test, here for them, deploy. Another one which is unofficially added there, it's called maintenance. Maintenance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. Okay. I need you to memorize this now. Then I come and do project. Where's my head? Close your eyes. Head to somewhere. Okay. I give you 2 minutes to memorize every single step. Deploy, deploy. I explain to you now, I memorize first. Because all the chapters we are learning for today, after this, all the chapters, including next week's chapter, everything based on this. So you must remember. When I say step number 5, you must remember step number 5. What's that? Cut the chicken. Step number 5. That will be. Did you remember? I'll ask you. Unfortunately, if you cannot answer, you must come for a dance. Then your session, I will number 9. How large the English? Peso. What's that doing? Why are you memorizing always your eyes closed? There's a reason. Why always like yourself?
Ask Lisa. Ask Lisa.
Where's the hammer? Where's the hammer? Step number 5. Number 5. Seven. What? Enter. 8. Three. 2. No. Very good. Number 5.
Yes.
Last idea. You don't look up here. Number 4. 6. Don't ask you now because it's very fresh. I'll ask you afterwards. When for tea, right? It's not going to sleep and ask you. Number 3. 6. Huh? Oh. Right. Number 1. what is it about? Okay, what is the steps? You need to understand the steps. The first one is identification of problem. Every creation of something new starts from the problem with something old. Galaxy 4 starts from the design of Galaxy 4. Why did they come up with Galaxy 4? Because they want to solve the problem with Galaxy 3. Why do they want to come up with Galaxy 5? Because they're solving problems with Galaxy 4. Every new invention will start from solving problems. Problem doesn't mean that, oh, Galaxy 3 always hangs, Galaxy 3 cannot make calls. Not that kind of problem. We're talking about improvement. Now we're having something like this. How can we improve this? When you improve, that means you are looking for problems. Okay? If you are a sports person, if you are playing football, if you are playing badminton, if you are playing bowling, if you are playing whatever you are playing. Okay? If you are saying that, okay, I'm going to improve myself. What is the first thing that you look for? The mistake that you have done. You look for what is the problem that I'm doing? What is the problem that I'm having? Okay? If you are playing football, if you say, okay, my problem is I'm not very fast. I take the ball, everybody can cut and go. Even the goalkeeper cut and go, the ball is okay, I am very slow. So my problem is I am slow. So improvement has to be, I need to make myself fast. So every system, doesn't matter, accounting system, financial system, any system that you're looking for, problem on the old system. So Gardenia, for example, why they want to come up with the new system? They will look for the old system. What's wrong with the old website? The website is very boring. No color, black and white. Okay? It's very slow. No security. Okay? No login screen. Everybody can go inside. Okay? No games. No sidebars. No links. No farm. Okay? No chatting screen. So very boring. So you have to improve. This improvement you are putting on the new system that you're going to create. Right? So look at the problem. Problem with the current system. Current system means the new system. Remember, the new system you haven't created yet. You are only planning to create. Understand? The story is Gardenia is planning to create a new system. Right? You are involved in the project of planning to create a new system. Is the new system created yet? No, it's not created yet. Okay, so the old system, you're looking for the problem. The current system means the old system that they're using now. Okay, based on that, you're going to do the new system. Source and cause of a problem. So not only you need to find the problem, if you say, okay, the old website of Gardenia is very slow. Look at the source. What source? TV source. After that, you're going to look for where the source coming from. It is slow. Why is it slow? Why is it slow? You know why it's slow. 5 components. And we only within these 5 components of IS. Either hardware is slow, or either the software is slow, or the user is very slow. The system is there, but the user doesn't know how to use it. Okay, like grandmother complaining, the computer very slow. Grandmother is 135 years old. The day yesterday. My grandmother. Okay? Very slow computer. Complaining my computer is very slow. Why cannot move the mouse like that? Computer speed zero or what? Still moving the mouse. So the problem cannot, maybe not because of the system. The system is not slow. The person doesn't know how to use the system. That also can be a problem. Right? So look for the problem, and not only the problem, look at the cause of the problem. Where the source, where the problem coming from. What is the cause of the problem, and also what is the reason. If the problem happens, what will happen? If the website is slow, what is the effect? Cause and effect. I'm sure you already looked at that. Cause and effect. Cause means website slow. Why? Because the hardware is slow. Server all very old. Software very old. User don't know how to use. Defect, customer complaint. Customer don't want to visit your website. Don't want to order something from your website. Okay. Have you tried using ordering pizza from Pizza Hut? Is it good? Fast. Used to be very slow, no? By the time you have to order lunch, I'm very hungry. By the time you finish order dinner, very slow. The ordering system, very complicated. Now it's improved. Okay, so first identify the problem means you look for the problem, you look for the cause of the problem, then you come out with a solution. Now you know already. Okay, now let's say ANC. Wait, ANC got like that. Let's see. This is considered good. throw away the old website and build a new one. Option number 3, build a new one. Then you want you to say. Normally. Imagine you are in a house. Your father can tell you, the house is getting very small. Not the house getting small, you getting big. Not the house getting small. The house getting small, right? But the range is bigger. You are getting bigger. There's 35 of you in the house, 2 rooms, 1 bathroom. So it's going to get very difficult for you to live. The roof is leaking, the water pipe all leaking, tsunami all coming in. A lot of problem in the house. The father says, can you look for a solution? Okay, you are the leader, you are the eldest in the house, the most mature in the house. Okay. Your father tells you, go and look for a solution. So you go and look for a solution. What is the solution that you look for? The solution is always form. Either we improve the current house, then we break the house, break the neighbor's house, break the house everywhere. Neighbor coming back from holiday, back the house. Okay, you break your house, you bigger. That's option number 1. Option number 2, you leave this house, buy a new one. Makes sense? Okay, just go and look for another new house, buy. Or old-fashioned way, or maybe in the kampung side, they prefer to build a house. Buy the house, you can't buy it to what you like, isn't it? Okay. Build a house means you can say, I want the kitchen in front. Initial study. What do you do initial study? You look for a problem. You look for a problem. You look for a solution. What is solution? Solution can be 4. Either one of these. 1, 2, 3. You choose. Because you are the expert. Then you get a report. What report is this? Okay. Initial study, sorry to say, in IT there's a lot of terms which are same meaning. Just like accounting, we have a lot of terms. Initial study is also known as preliminary study. Preliminary preliminary study report. What is inside this report? You will report your problems, you will report your solution, plus the time taken to solve, plus the cost. What do I mean by this? Get on that one. No, yeah. You're on that? You're on it, yeah. Yeah, I want to. Now, if you say, what do I mean by time taken and solved and cost? You will tell your father, it is the house story. You tell your father, if I can improve the house, I can repair the house. If I repair the house, it's going to take me 3 months, and the cost is 50,000. Time and cost. You must tell that to your father. He is the one who decides. If I buy a new house, we can buy it within 2 weeks, but it will cost 200,000. If we build a house, it's going to take about 2 years, and but it costs 120,000. How many building is cheaper than buying? Or if you rent a house, you can buy it tomorrow, but the rental also, the cost is cheaper, but in the long run, your cost will is more than buying. You understand this? Can I see this? You put it to a report, you give it to who? So in the Gardenia case, you give it back to the Gardenia's managers, the CEO, or the top level managers. You tell them, okay, this is what the problem is. You want me to continue? This is the time, this is the cost. This is how what's going to happen. Okay, you give that the report to them. They will choose, okay, I think from what we see after our discussion, we decide we build a new website. They choose option number 3. You okay so far? So step 1, done. Step 1, done. That's the key thing. And we want the key thing. Only I time 1.5 hours, 1 hour. So you came back 1:30, so 2:30, 3:20, like that. And you come back, then if you come back early, we can go back. Suppose to finish at 5. If I can finish at 7, we can go back 4 to 5. I know how you feel. I've been a student before, so myself very low attention. Half an hour I'm lost. I don't know how you can sit there for 15. So what you do is you can take a 5 minutes now. I will give you feedback. Okay. Or if you want to get a clear box, how many clear box?